Hey everyone, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing and testing out the new Vice Water Lip and Cheek Tint. So ayun, so ito yung ginamit ko sa aking cheeks tsaka sa aking lips. If you guys want to know my thoughts about these products, then please keep on watching. But before that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell right beside it and check all in the drop down menu. And without further ado, let's get on to it. Hey everyone! So dumating na ang order ko sa Beauty MNL. First time ko mag-order sa Beauty MNL, hindi ko alam na ganun kaganda ang service nila. Order today, get it tomorrow. So ayun. So this is the new Vice Water Gel Lip and Cheek Tint. So in-order ko siya nung isang araw kasi midnight na yun. So basically, kahapon. In-order siya kahapon. Tapos, yung gusto kong shades, which is pa-virgin, tsaka yung sisterette, sold out na. Tapos hindi ko siya in-order agad kasi baka sakali bumalik. And that's like, wala ito babalik yan ng ilang minuto. So, ayun. So, tatlo yung kinuha kong shades. I got like 3 different undertones and 3 different shades para makita nyo kung maganda nga ba. So, tatlo yung kinuha kong shades. Paulit-ulit tayo dito, best. Wait lang. Hindi pa tapos ang ating makeup dahil nga lip and cheek tint to. So, hindi ko muna sinet ang aking foundation. So, wala pang powder yan kasi feeling ko pag may powder na, syempre, mas mahirap siyang i-blend. So, I want to see kung maganda siya on top of foundation. Tsaka, of course, syempre, kung magkamali man akong pwedeng takpan, ganun. So, excited na ako. Buksan na natin to. So, ayun. Unahin ko muna aking cheeks. Okay. Ayan na siya. Tutuwa ako. Ang ganda ng packaging, guys. I love that, you know, Vice, hindi pa rin nagmamahal. I mean, tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. So, I got 2 shades. O nga pala, 145 sila per piece. Tagal ko inisip yun na. I have Seswang, Beshie, at F na F. So, I'm gonna swatch them on my hands first para makita nyo kung anong itsura niya. Tapos, yun natin titignan kung, you know, kung ano ilalagay natin sa cheeks natin. Then, magli-lips swatches tayo and stuff.
The beat.
Very pigmented siya. Actually, yung pinaka hindi pigmented yung darkest shade, which is F na F. Just like a purplish pink. So, very wearable pa na naman siya. Yung Seswang, lakas maka-fresh. Itong Beshie, it's your usual corally orange. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ang ilalagay ko sa aking pisngi. Pero feeling ko yung Beshie yung bagay sa outfit ko. So, oh, ayan, Besh, nagsis. Oy, ini-expect ko ano siya, yung super bilis mag-set. So, ayan na siya. Blended ko na. Ayan. Ayan na. Kita nyo naman, blendable naman si ate. Oh. Oh, blendable siya. Hindi siya yung super bilis mag-set. Pero, syempre, nag-set siya. Pero, at least yung hindi ganun. Oh, tong F na F. Yung F na F yung pinakamabilis mag-set. Siguro kasi, siya yung pinaka darkest. Hindi ko directly apply sa cheeks kasi nakakatakot siya. Kakatakot. Hindi kasi sobrang strong. Baka, you know, hindi kayanin. Okay. Kasi medyo light si Beshie. Hindi mo makikita si Beshie. Wait lang pa. Wait lang. Super blendable siya. Hindi yung nagsiset right away. Pero syempre, kailangan mo siya i-blend agad. Ayan. Ayan na si Beshie. Ang ganda, oh. Oh, pak. Ayan. Nakita niyo ba yan? Ito si Beshie. Itong walang Beshie. Nagdagan natin ng Beshie yung kabila para may friend na rin siya. So, ayun. So, ayun. So, si Beshie, siya yung pinaka-lightest sa shades na meron ako. Pero tingnan nyo naman. Oh, glass skin. Achieved! Charot. As, ayan, medyo na-disrupt yung makeup ng konti. Yung foundation sa ilalim. Pwede pa naman ayusin yan kasi hindi pa natin nasiset. Pero ayan na sa cheeks. So, I'll just finish the rest of my makeup para pwede na natin siyang i-swatch sa ating lips. Okay, so I swatched everything. Yun. So, I actually wanted to wear Seswang. Ano ibig sabihin ng Seswang, guys? Hindi ko alam. Please enlighten me. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng Seswang. Gusto ko sana siyang suotin. Kasi ang lakas niyang maka-fresh. Ang lakas niyang pang magmukhang bata yung mukha mo. Basta there's something very youthful about it. Kasi talaga mas bagay talaga yung Beshie dito sa aking suot ngayong araw. Tsaka lately I've been loving a lot of oranges. So ayun, kaya Beshie tayo ngayong araw. So what I noticed though, ano siya guys, very very light on the lips. Tas hindi siya sticky, hindi rin siya yung feeling drying on the lips. So, I just hope it lasts for a long time. Based on these swatches, mukhang okay naman siya. Pero feeling ko yung Beshie yung pinaka hindi magsistay. As you guys can see, Beshie, Seswang, F na F. Ayan. Pero F na F din, pero parang ano siya. So, medyo mahirap na siya tanggalin. Mahirap talaga mag-swatch ng lip tints. Yan. So, talagang trinay kong tanggalin talaga para kitang-kita yung Beshie kasi medyo strong na yung dalawang colors. Pero so far, so good. It feels very, very light on the lips and hindi siya tacky. Hindi rin siya yung drying sa lips. As of now, parang wala naman masyadong drying na nagaganap sa aking lips. So, gustong-gusto ko yun. Yeah, tapos amoy candy siya, Beshie. Amoy candy. Ang bango nila. So, yeah, wala naman special like smell per shade. Talagang matamis lang talaga yung amoy niya. So, hopefully, it will last long. Yung water gel niya, hindi mas gel siya compared sa water. Notice, para siyang parang essence, ganun. Ganun yung texture niya para sa akin. My opinion. So, ayun, medyo late na actually. 4:30 na ng hapon kasi after lunch dumating tong mga lip and cheek tint. So, hopefully, tumagal sila sa aking cheeks at aking lips kasi pagkatapos ito, kakain na ako ng merienda. So, yeah, I'll check back with you guys in a couple of hours. Hey everyone! So, I'm back. It's been 6 to 7 hours now ever since I applied the lip tint. It's pretty much gone, but there's still a stain. But I feel like though, from all of these swatches, the one that really stayed on my hand is Seswang. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's still a little bit of stain there. Beshie is pretty much gone, and a little bit of F na F. So I think the Beshie is the least staining one from the Vice Water Lip and Cheek tints that I have. I love it. On my cheeks, I can still see it. I have harsh lighting. I have a ring light, but I inserted a clip where it was like out in the sun and stuff like that. It's a lot more seen. So yeah, on the cheeks, it's still there. So I'm really, really happy. The thing that I loved about this is that it didn't feel dry the whole time I was wearing it. It had a very, very nice formula. Because sometimes when I wear like lip tints, you know, it immediately kind of suffocates my lips. I don't know any other word to describe it, but it feels trapped. Trapped. Parang sobrang dry niya lang talaga. And even though it faded, you guys could see in the close-up, it's not badly faded wherein it looks really, really dry and chapped. it doesn't look like that. Well, from the way I see it, like, it doesn't look that bad. It is faded, and it pretty much faded pretty evenly. It's not like stuck into the inner parts of your lips, so I like that. In terms of the formula of these Vice Water Gel Lip and Cheek Tint, the one that kind of reminds me of is a mixture of two different Korean lip tints. The Etude House Dear Darling tint and the Pink Sugar Sugar Glow tint. It's like a mixture of these two. It's not as watery as the Etude House one. And this one, I forgot the texture of this one. This one is also watery, but it has kind of like a more of the gel-like consistency, but still the Vice is still more gel-like than these two. So actually Beshie is very close to this one, which is number 2, So Grapefruit, I think. Grapefruit Spirit. No, Grapefruit Spirit. So I'm just gonna swatch Grapefruit Spirit. So that is Grapefruit Spirit. Then swatch din natin si Beshie. And yeah. Ayan siya. So, wala sila masyadong difference. Mas pigmented lang ng konti yung Peri-Pera. Pero, ayun. Yung Peri-Pera, saan ba dito? Okay. Yung Peri-Pera mas orange. Mas matingkad yung pagka-orange niya compared sa Beshie. Pero actually, really liked Beshie. Kasi, I don't know, I've been loving, ano ba yan? Tarang! Ayan, ayusin natin yan. To be honest, I'm really loving these because they're so easy to work with. Madali siyang i-blend. Tapos hindi siya agad nagsiset. So it gives you an ample time to like blend them. Super nice. And I just really like the fact that it didn't feel dry on my lips. So I'm actually really liking these. So, ayun nga. I wish I wore Seswang kasi feeling ko mas matingkad ang pagka-stain nito. Kaso gustong-gusto ko talaga yung Beshie. So, ayun. You guys could say, ayun pa yung Seswang. So, yeah, I highly recommend the Vice Water Gel Lip and Cheek Tints. And you don't really need a lot of these. Kahit 3.5 ml siya per tube. And super ganda ng packaging. It's like you're paying more than 145 pesos. Super love these. You're paying more for what you pay for. So, highly recommend them. I'm definitely will be waiting for Sisterette and Pa-Virgin. Kapag nagkaroon ng stock, talagang bibiling ko yung dalawang yun. Lalo yung Sisterette. Yung Pa-Virgin, parang meron akong shade na ganon. Kasi yung Sisterette, parang wala pa. Malakas siyang maka-Korean vibes ganon. So, yeah. Hope you guys like my review of the Vice Water Gel Lip and Cheek Tint. And again, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell and check all in the drop down menu and without. And I'll see you guys in my next video.